Say happy birthday to me.
Did Brooke call?
No. What's he doing? You want to get out?
Honk the horn.
You have a good nap? You well rested for your cake? Gone. Look at his feet. His foot was on the steering wheel. Oh, did you get out all by yourself? Big boy. Yeah, close your car door. Open, close. You get some gas? You gonna get back in? Getting the hang of it now. Good job. Oh, did you close that? No more gas? Do you need to get some gas? Oh, you're gonna give it some spit? What are you doing?